In this video, I'm going to show you how to start flipping Labubu Collectibles for profit in 2025. I'll walk you through how to turn a fun hobby, collecting Labubu figures, into real cash. Step by step. If you've ever looked at your bank app and thought, where did my money go? You're not alone. Little purchases add up, and flipping Labubu is the opposite. It's taking something small and turning it into a simple win you can repeat. I'm Erin. This is Side Hustle Mastery, simple systems, real income, no burnout. What is Labubu? Quick foundation so we're on the same page. Labubu is a designer art toy character by Ka-Sing Leung. You'll see them released in blind box series, which means you don't know which figure you got until you open it. Some pulls are common, some are rare. That surprise is what keeps collectors searching every day. Why this matters for you. Steady demand plus limited drops means there's always a market, and they're really tiny, which keeps shipping cheap and your space needs low. You're not storing big boxes, you're learning to buy smart, list clean, and ship quickly. Part 2, learn the names. Before you sell anything, you need to sound like a collector. Titles and names are how buyers decide if they can trust you. If your title looks vague, they will not click. So your title should read like a collector typed it. For example, Labubu Monster Series 3, character name, authentically sealed, cute toy gets skipped. Cleared names signal you know what you're doing, and that attracts serious buyers. Sealed versus opened. Labubu comes in blind boxes. You have two ways to sell it. One, keep a box sealed. Collectors love that because the mystery is intact and the seals proves it's untouched. Or open the box and list the exact character, which removes uncertainty and often sells faster if it's a popular pull. How to test this as a beginner. So you want to get two boxes from the same series, list one sealed, open the other one on camera, and list that exact character. Within a week, you'll see which style moves quicker in your area. That feedback tells you what to buy next time. Part 4, check real prices. Profit shows up when you stop guessing and use sold data. Go to eBay, search Labubu and the series name, filter by sold items, and sort by the most recent. If sealed boxes are closing around $40 and you buy at $25, after fees and a basic mailer, you might net $8 to $12. That's real, not a guess. And if yours isn't selling, the comps show why. Maybe your photo doesn't show the seal. Maybe the title is missing the series. Fix it there. Part 5, photos that sell. Photos do the heavy lifting. Clean and honest pictures stop the scroll. For your setup, place the figure by a window with an indirect daylight. You also want to use a plain white backdrop. Shoot the front, back, and a close-up of the seal, and one angled shot to show finish or hollow. Take one photo of the figure next to the box so buyers see exactly what they're getting. This removes doubt. When buyers feel zero doubt, they pay faster and they ask fewer questions. Part 6 is Canva walkthrough. Before we dive into making photos pop, quick note, if you want to follow along, I'll drop the Canva link down below, sidehustlemastery.com/Canva. That's my affiliate link, no extra cost to you, and it helps me keep making these tutorials free. Plus, if you go yearly with Canva Pro, you'll save 16%. Now let's go through Canva together. Use the link below to follow along. And so when you log in, you'll see a clean dashboard with options like presentation, social media, photo editor, video, print, and website. If you're flipping Labubu, social media is great for making square posts that match marketplaces like Depop or Instagram. So photo editor is great if you want to clean up your shots, brighten them, crop out distractions, or use the background remover. And print lets you create thank you cards or little inserts you can toss into your orders, and that tiny touch really builds repeat buyers. And custom size is where you make templates for eBay, Mercari, or whatever platform you're on. You can drag your Labubu shots in, arrange them in a collage, and add small text clips stating its series, Monster 3, condition is sealed, and what it includes, which is box and the card. Consistent layouts builds trust, and Canva makes it one click instead of hours of editing. And part 7 is you want to write the listing. A good listing isn't about flowery words. It's about clarity clarity. Title formula can be Labubu Monster Series 3 Cloud Baby sealed. It includes a box and card, and in the description, say whether it's sealed or opened. List what's included, so the figure, the box, and the card, and note the condition. You also want to end with message me to pick up today or I can ship. Buyers want fast information. If they can tell what it is, the condition, and when they can get it, they buy. Part 8 is pricing that moves. Set a floor price, the number you're happy with after fees. Then list 10 to 15% higher. That way you can accept offers without feeling like you lost. If nothing happens in 48 hours, don't panic. Swap the first photo to the one that shows the seal clearly. Or you can also nudge the price down a couple of dollars. That small change often bumps you back into your feeds. So part 9 is safe meetups and shipping for local meetups. For local meetups, choose bright, busy places like Starbucks, Target, or a police station parking lot during the day. Say exactly where and when. For shipping, wrap the figure and box together in a bubble wrap so they don't rattle. Slide that into a padded mailer. If it's raining, add a plastic bag layer inside the mailer. The goal is zero movement and zero moisture. Part 10, avoiding fakes. Fakes waste time and it kills trust. So you want to check the box, print quality. Authentic boxes are crisp and not blurry. So you want to check paint lines as well. Real figures have clean edges and they're not bleeding. You can flip the box, read the logos and the spelling on the bottom. If anything feels off, walk away. Your reputation is much more worth than one sketchy sale. Part 11, quick replies that save time. Keep messages short so you don't burn out. Save these in your notes app. Still available? Yes, cash or Venmo. I can meet at Target Irvine after 5 today. Low offer. Thanks for the offer. I'm firm at X dollars. It's priced for quick pickup today. No show. Still good for 5:30 at Target Irvine. If not, no worries. I have another person interested. Polite and fast replies move deals forward or free up your time. Both are going to be wins. Part 12, your 7-day starter plan. Here's a loop you can copy this week. Day 1, learn 2 series names and how the boxes look. Day 2, source 2 or 3 boxes from a legit seller. Day 3, shoot photos in daylight and lay them out in Canva. Day 4, write titles and descriptions and clarity. Day 5, post on marketplace of choice. Day 6, do meetups or ship orders and pack like you care. Day 7, reviewed sold comps against your listings. What sold the fastest? What photo got the most clicks? Use that signal to choose next week's buys. And repeat the loop. All right, so you learned what Labubu is, how sealed versus open changes sales, how to check comps, how to shoot photos that build trust, how to design consistent layouts with Canva, how to price smart, and how to protect your reputation by avoiding fakes. Links below if you want to try Canva, sidehustlemastery.com/Canva. It's an affiliate link, so no extra cost. And with yearly Canva Pro, you'll save 16%. Flipping Labubu is not about chasing rare grails. It's about consistency. Buy smart, present clearly, and stack small wins. That's how $25 flips turn into steady income. So if this gave you a clear next step, hit like and subscribe and tell me in the comments which series you'd try first. I read every one. I'm Erin with Side Hustle Mastery. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you in the next one.